Welcome to Herbal Help. Dive into the world of natural remedies and holistic wellness with us. On this channel, we explore the healing powers of herbs, offering practical tips, DIY recipes, and insightful discussions on incorporating herbal remedies into your daily life. Whether you're seeking solutions for common ailments, curious about herbalism, or simply want to embrace a more natural lifestyle, join us on this journey to unlock the secrets of herbal healing and nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Today we are going to talk about Guayusa. Guayusa, Ilex guayusa, a plant native to the Amazon rainforest, is known for its energizing properties and traditional use in indigenous cultures of Ecuador and surrounding regions. It is typically brewed as a tea and is gaining global popularity due to its unique combination of nutrients, antioxidants, and natural caffeine. Here are the key health benefits of Guayusa. 1. Provides natural energy boost. Guayusa contains natural caffeine, providing a smooth and sustained energy boost without the jitters or crashes associated with coffee. It also contains theobromine, found in cacao, and L-Theanine, which enhance focus and promote a sense of calm, balancing the stimulating effects of caffeine. 2. Rich in antioxidants. Guayusa is packed with antioxidants, including polyphenols and flavonoids, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Antioxidants also support the immune system, protecting against illness and inflammation. 3. Supports mental clarity and focus. The combination of caffeine, theobromine, and L-theanine improves alertness, concentration, and mental clarity, making Guayusa a favorite among those seeking enhanced productivity. Its adaptogenic properties may help manage stress, promoting a clear and focused mind. 4. Improves cardiovascular health. Theobromine in Guayusa has vasodilatory effects, which may help lower blood pressure and improve circulation. Antioxidants in Guayusa reduce oxidative stress on blood vessels and may lower the risk of heart disease. 5. Enhances metabolism and weight management. Caffeine stimulates the metabolism, potentially aiding in weight management and fat burning. Drinking Guayusa tea may help control cravings and promote a balanced appetite. 6. Promotes digestive health. Guayusa is less acidic than coffee, making it gentle on the stomach. Its traditional use includes soothing indigestion and improving gut health. 7. Balances blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest Guayusa may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. Its slow-release caffeine provides energy without sharp spikes or crashes in blood sugar. 8. Supports hydration. While it has diuretic properties, Guayusa does not dehydrate like coffee. It is often consumed as part of hydration rituals in indigenous cultures. 9. Enhances mood and reduces stress. Like chocolate, theobromine in Guayusa can elevate mood and promote feelings of well-being. Guayusa may help the body adapt to stress, supporting overall emotional balance. 10. Improves sleep-wake cycle. While Guayusa is stimulating, its L-theanine content may promote better sleep quality when consumed earlier in the day, helping balance the sleep-wake cycle. Its long-lasting energy prevents daytime drowsiness without disrupting nighttime rest. 11. Boosts immune system. Guayusa's antioxidants and polyphenols reduce inflammation, supporting a robust immune system. It has been used to ward off illness and enhance resilience against seasonal infections. 12. Sustainable and ethical choice. Drinking Guayusa connects consumers to the rich heritage of the Amazonian people who have used it for centuries for health and community rituals. Cultivated sustainably, Guayusa supports biodiversity and indigenous communities. How to use Guayusa. Brew Guayusa leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, adjusting steeping time for desired strength. Combine with other herbs like mint, ginger, or lemon for added flavor and benefits. Guayusa is also available in powdered or capsule forms for convenience. Safety considerations. Guayusa contains caffeine, so it may not be suitable for those sensitive to stimulants. Consult a healthcare provider, as caffeine intake during pregnancy and breastfeeding should be moderated. Those on medications, particularly for heart conditions or anxiety, should consult a healthcare provider before use. Would you like a Guayusa tea recipe or suggestions on combining it with other herbs for specific health goals?